this is the condition. All warped right here, cracked. This is the leather, mold. Yeah. Okay, to get this out, these little sections right here clip into this plastic piece. So you're going to use a screwdriver and just pry them away from the plastic, just enough so you can pop this off, and then you can push this through. There it is. So I'm going to use this to measure the other material that's going to go on here. And then we're going to measure that top piece separately. That's going to be the easy part. We're going to have to fix all of this right here. And fix this right here as well. This has to be all straightened out.
Now I will use the original leather as a template to cut my material. Be sure to leave enough room around the pattern so that you could create the overlap like you see in the original pattern. And while I had these other items out, I just went ahead and gave them a fresh coat of paint, cleaned them up, and they're ready to go back in.
Okay, so I'm slowly putting the rear panel back in. This goes in first, obviously, then comes this. Now this has two tabs at the top that kind of hooks under this right here. I'll show it to you on the passenger side. These are the tabs, and they go under this panel right here. Don't forget the trim pieces that are here before you actually start screwing this in. I'm gonna screw this in here, and there's another screw right up there to lock this into place. Then when I'm putting the back seat in, I've gone ahead and left this screw in. This is harder to get out and in, so I left it in, and I'm just gonna put this into place. Also keep in mind that there is a little white plastic piece that goes inside the hole that locks the seat in place. Okay, so now on the passenger side, I'm going ahead and threaded the seat belt through the hole here. Make sure the bracket is going to be in the correct orientation. And then you're going to go ahead, straighten the seat belt out, and connect it down here with the 17mm. So another 17 mil. I'm go ahead and connect it right now. So the red seat belt goes in like this.